Hi, dear viewers. Welcome back again to God's Mission channel. Hoping you all have a good day today. And here again, we have Vijaya with us, who will be sharing new things to us and all the experiences that she overcame with the power of God while Satan was constantly attacking her.
Thank you, Neha, once again for inviting me. As I told you that even my health got affected. I want to
Yes, you
say,
mentioned that in the previous video.
yes, Neha, I want to share one big thing. It has affected so much that my stomach is to pain a lot. And
Okay.
I went to doctor and I was asking Jesus dad also why it is paining so much. And I went to doctor and he tested and he said that there is an gallbladder issue and go for scanning immediately.
Okay.
So I went for scanning. In that scanning, Neha, what came out,
Okay.
gallbladder, uterus fibroids, ovary infection. All these three came, Neha.
Okay.
And my elder sister was with me and she was like, what to do? All three complications at a time. And even she arranged
Okay.
for a surgery. And that doctor told that, how you'll do this surgery? Means he told, no problem. Come tomorrow and get her admit. At one go, we'll remove all the three.
That is very appropriate, right? Removing everything at one shot would be like a very difficult for you to manage, right? Further.
Absolutely, Neha. And I went back. It was night, 9 o'clock in the evening. Everybody was disturbed, and I was praying to God. And Satan was laughing at me. Now, all three will be removed. She will be so much weak. And again, we wanted to go for a second scanning. I prayed that whole night, Neha. Jesus, Dad, what is this? I prayed. I was not disheartened once again. I don't know how much, that much confidence, that much dare, I don't know. Even when they're saying that all three parts are affected, even though I was bold. That strength really comes from a dad only. And otherwise, it's not possible. I have seen the people for a simple stomach pain, they'll commit suicide. For a simple headache, there are so many incidents we come across daily. But I was not disturbed. I prayed that whole night, Neha, and next day I went for scanning. In the scanning, there was nothing in uterus and ovary. Only the
Okay.
gallbladder stone was there.
Okay.
That's it, Neha.
So then, how did you further deal with this situation? Like, what happened?
Then I contacted doctor. Then he said that we have to remove the complete gallbladder because I was not that much aware of the issue of gallbladder that time. So
Okay.
I underwent surgery. They removed the gallbladder, and I came back. And again, during that removal of gallbladder, they said nothing will happen. Doctor said, he counseled me, nothing, nothing, nothing. You'll be all right, and you can eat. You can enjoy your food, everything. But after some days, Neha, the effect was so much that without gallbladder, the liver secretes bile, right? So,
Correct.
yeah, the role of gallbladder is that the secretion of bile from liver will be stored in the gallbladder, and according to the requirement, the digestive parts will take it. So for me,
Correct.
the storage tank gallbladder is removed. So what will happen is that directly the secretion of liver, that is bile, will be thrown into the stomach, which causes lot of inflammation. By default, by default, whether I eat inflammatory food or not, it causes inflammation to me. So
Okay.
I was, of course, Satan told me I'll cause so much to you, but I did not think that this is also the work of Satan. Now, after some days, when I asked, oh, that is also my work.
Okay.
Because when the person does not have a gallbladder, they have to think a lot to what to eat, what not to eat, what will be digested, what will not be digested. Everything they have to think. They cannot eat everything as of they like.
Correct.
Yes, Neha.
Gallbladder plays a very big important, role in our digestion process. So, viewers, you heard how evil played tricks with Vijaya, and in spite of all the tricks, how confident she was in our Lord God Jesus' dad. So, in our upcoming videos, let's wait and hear what Vijaya has to share. So, thank you, Vijaya, for sharing this.
Thank you so much, Neha, and have a blessed heavenly kingdom life, and love you all with Jesus Dad's love.
So, viewers, I pray that you all be blessed by watching our videos through God's Mission channel. We have more things coming up, so stay tuned. And meanwhile, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Thank you, and bye bye.